Driver Pilot is an online syllabus designed to teach you all elements of your practical driving test. The syllabus includes a growing number of topics, which include pictures, videos and quizzes. The syllabus is designed for you to use in between driving lessons. So, for example, your driving instructor may say, we're going to carry out roundabouts next lesson. So you can go at home and in your own time research the roundabouts module. This will give you all the information you need to know in your driving lesson. So when you go back to your driving lesson, you already know that information. The idea of the syllabus is to increase the time actually driving in your driving lessons and reduce the number of driving lessons required. You can do this by learning the skills you need to know for your driving lesson at home in your own time, and then attending the lesson knowing that information already. The benefits are you'll be in a more comfortable environment and learning in your own time, whether this be at home, at college or at work or wherever else you choose to study. You'll take more in by taking quizzes, watching videos and reading the content. Videos are getting more popular to learn from, so I've created all the content you need to know in these videos. There are no restrictions on using the syllabus, so you can go back and view each topic as many times as you like until you fully understand what you need to know. If you're like me, you'll find you miss stuff during lessons, you'll forget stuff, or you may not remember stuff because it's difficult to drive and learn at the same time. By using this syllabus, you can simply go back on each lesson until you remember everything you need to know and fully understand. My name is Reese. I am a DVSA approved driving instructor and I've been teaching learners to drive since 2012. I set up this website as I had a bit of a passion for a new way of teaching, a modern way of teaching, to increase efficiency and make it easier to learn to drive. I've devised plenty of videos and experiences for learners. In my driving lessons, learners have found it easier to learn and understand each skill through videos. So I wanted to bring that to a wide audience through the internet. In the last few years I've been making the content and more content will be added all the time.